I've put an ashen chest voyage on the table.
Okay.
You have
On the
key.
ship.
Yeah,
Okay.
Want me to get the key.
I've got a key.
So whose flag are we raising?
I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
Well, if we're doing ashen stuff, we might as well do,
We don't need to go with them. Like, we don't have to bring it back to them. Oh my god, is it really right where I'm standing?
Yep.
Oh my god. What the fuck, game?
Voyage complete.
It's destiny!
Quick win! Ho!
Leave that there, go back to the ship, drop the key voyage.
Ah, the legend is here.
Lady, I am not a legend.
I am. Or I will be. Alright, Frosty, vote for it.
Do it, Frosty.
Where is it?
Do
It's
it.
on the
On the
table.
table.
Have an amazing voyage.
Where is it, like right here? Behind the tavern. Like over here somewhere. Tome of Curses 4 and 2 Ritual Skulls.
Tome of Curses 4.
Look at the balloons.
Chest Stash Voyage. Key Stash Voyage.
I'm currently parkouring my way on top of the tavern.
Roth, you want to pick up one of each as well?
Sure. Hey, yo, bitch.
What's on the horizon today?
Browse the black market, if you be so kind.
Frosty, vote.
Ashen chest, yeah. Whatever you're doing in game.
Huh?
You alt tabbed.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Come back when you're buying the grog.
Alright. Now to run to the ship, do the key.
I can do it if you want me to.
Okay, go for it. Alright, do the chest. Another Tome of Curses 5. Oh, it's on the other side of the island. Where are you digging?
Right here.
That's not where it is on the map. It's on the other side of the island.
So it is.
So Yahtzee just reamed the shit out of what was it, werewolf?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier.
Mm,
Why is
uh,
you know why he did?
Because it's a shit game. Says he.
Where are you? Where it hurts so here? Found it.
Excellent. Frosty, vote for it.
Stuck.
Don't get stuck. Can I unlock it?
Go for it.
Yay!
Another
Curse
Tome
is
of Curses
5.
5. God damn. Goblet goes to the gold hoarders.
I can't stop thinking about the people that first ate mushrooms they found and just go through trial and error of it. Of like, this
Well,
one tastes like beef, this one killed Brian immediately, and this one makes you see God for a week.
You know, real talk here. Shout out to the early humans who found out what was poisonous and what wasn't.
Imagine the conversation between the two people stood next to the person who discovered milk was a thing.
Or, like, honey, for example. Someone just standing there looking at a beehive going,
There's something
bet the-
delicious in there, I know.
Those fuckers are hiding something, I know it.
oh, hey, Viper.
I've been here for a while.
I'm streaming, so I don't get a notification.
I'm surprised nobody else said anything
I
when I
was
joined.
keeping quiet.
Those little fuckers are hiding something, I know it. So what do we want to do for, like, the last hour of the stream? We want to
We'll go get a vault.
Yeah, we could
I've-
go run do a vault.
Alright, before we do the vault, let's do one more ashen chest and key real quick.
You know what, Frosty, you haven't spent any of the balloons. Go spend the balloons.
I've already put it down.
Oh.
I'm a benevolent captain who spends
No,
their
you're
own money to get what they want.
No, that's a lie.
Quiet you, nobody else needs to know that.
Here's the secret flame. They always do.
Well then that means I need to kill everyone.
Level 50!
Just fucking send it. He's gonna sit here and cook.
How dare you
no-
be a responsible human being and cook?
Oh, that's a
I know
horrible
these
joke.
couple of episodes aren't really that exciting, and
We need a tone down from what happened.
yeah, we
Yeah, go back and watch the previous episode.
Yeah, because
We've
got our
earned this,
asses kicked.
but we won.
Yeah, barely.
Somebody vote.
I got it. Don't worry,
Roth,
Frosty.
check Discord.
I am cooking.
You're cooking.
Cooking.
Cocaine.
Cocaine.
In unison, Jesus.
You know we're friends.
So Roth, check Discord. You've got a second.
I am. Oh, Frosty, you messaged me. Oh, shit. Okay.
Like I said, it's a horrible joke.
Oh, how was your lecture, Frosty?
Huh?
How was your lecture?
Yeah, really good. Spent about an hour talking about the assignment with the tutor. And got shit loads of work done.
Mosquito? Yeah, let's do a vault. And let's
Alright.
run gold hoarders. Somebody stop that, whoever it is.
Can you say DCMA? Because I can say DCMA.
Yeah.
Sorry, was scrolling through my phone and it auto started. Turn the mute the fucker.
So is anybody gonna come here and vote gold hoarder?
Frosty, you're gonna go have to.
I'm already on my way, dude.
Excellent.
The weird dude in the tent with the money.
Yeah, the weird dude in the tent with the money. We're not yelling at you, not Frosty, Tigo. We're just trying to talk louder than the sound so we don't get
Yeah.
smacked in the dick by DMSA or whatever the fuck it's called.
What? No. Vote. Oh, just realised his face is gold, but it's not the outside of his face, it's the inside of his face. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Yeah.
Gold hoarder's curse.
You know, I just had a really weird thought. You know how King Midas, everything he touched turned to gold?
Uh-huh.
What happened when he touched himself?
No comment.
Look out! Says he.
Every computer needs a cleaning keyboard mode where the keys would be inactive while you wipe them down.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
It's called
yes,
unplugging
yes,
it from the
yes.
USB port.
Answer. First response. Why not just clean it while the computer is shut down? Reply. While the computer is what now?
They
What,
can
you mean
do
when I
that?
You mean when I first get it?
I need to
Oh.
my computer.
Companies are bragging about making plants taste like meat. Cows have been doing that forever.
You know, you joke about that, but I've actually had some meat substitute, and it's not that bad.
Heretic!
Yeah, heretic.
Some
to the
of
break.
them don't taste bad. They don't taste like... In my experience, they don't actually taste like decent beef. Or
Oh,
chicken.
yeah.
Or
Decent,
turkey.
decent meat will trump any fucking...
Is no one gonna vote for the voyage?
That will trump anything they will be able to pull out, but it's not
Like-
that bad. It's actually pretty good.
I don't
Heretic.
mind vegan food, but... Because some of it's tasty, but it's just tasty food. Oh, I made
Yeah.
this without... But when you're like, I used these like 6 different products to replicate this one product I think is
You're
bad.
not gonna
I'm
be able
like,
to do anything, Roth. The anchor's down.
I was just trying to help.
Yeah, but do you not think that half of the appeal of a cheeseburger is like the blood sacrifice that was given?
That got dark real quick.
Mm.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Well, coming from somebody who is, and really was for a good time, strictly a carnivore, it's not that bad.
Blood sacrifice.
Blood
Yeah.
sacrifice.
I'm
I
not
want to know
dissing it.
when I take a bite of this juicy steak, I want to know that it bled and suffered for my fulfillment.
It's like that one meme I saw where
Jesus,
they were
Frosty.
they were selling
This
you
is
know
why
how
we
Coke-
are friends.
you know how Coke has names on them?
Yeah.
They there's this one person who started putting out names of the cows that were killed for the steak, and people were like, you know, I will strictly look for my name so I can eat myself.
Yeah, I saw the like. Is this like those Coke bottle things? I've seen that one, and like, yeah.
They just played themselves at that point, the vegans.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh,
Now I can
did-
look. Now I can look into its eyes while I put it in the pan.
So, did you
Tell
hear
me how the
about
oil
how-
tastes, little
Like,
man.
all things considered, there's no way they actually knew the cow. Like, could actually
Yeah.
figure out what cow was in there. Like, they
But-
don't know how an arbiter actually works, or a fader.
So, you know, on a completely different topic, apparently anti-vaxxers are going full circle.
How so?
How so?
They are basically, they put out a thing, you know how people build up immunities to poison, right? And someone says, yeah, well, why don't we just do that with diseases? And everyone's like, yeah, that's actually pretty smart. It's like, that's what vaccines are!
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've seen those, and it's like, instead of all these chemicals, why don't we just build up our immunities? It's like, that's how a vaccine works, you fucking dumbass cunt! I actually said that out loud once. To somebody. Left the store.
The stupidity of some people never ceases to amaze me.
No,
And these people are legally allowed to breed.
yep. You know, one of my favorite quotes...
I think what's scarier is that they can vote.
One of my... Oh god, yeah,
Yeah.
that's even worse. One of my favorite quotes from any movie ever encompasses this perfectly. A
Person is smart. Yeah.
people are dumb.
Yep.
You're missing like half the quote, but yeah.
No.
Men in
No,
Black?
yeah, you're
Yeah.
missing half the quote.
Yeah, you're missing like half the quote. He is much more eloquent about describing the stupidity level.
I need to read.
You know the difference between me and you? I make this look good.
That was almost really bad.
Oh, this is going to be really bad.
Crack
Oh
shot out
my
of the
god!
channel. Why not?
Did you make it to the
Nice.
water?
No, I'm on the other side of the island now.
Wait,
So-
what happened?
So,
Frosty nearly cleared the whole island.
Roth, climb into the cannon that he used and show us.
Oh.
yeah, do it.
Do what you want, no balls.
Do it. It's fucking
I'm-
shocking how far
I'm
that
even-
sends you.
I'm even gonna go a little higher.
Oh, you really will clear the island then.
Hi, Frosty! Ow!
Yeah, so you come up to that little false peak thing there, and the whole
Yeah.
like landmass just drops away behind it, and it's like, oh,
Oh,
okay.
there's more. Be on the lookout for
Frosty,
wood.
you should have put like an explosive barrel where you landed and just shot it as it came down.
I mean, there was an
have any.
explosive barrel. There was one right where you guys landed.
Well, Frosty, you missed a perfect opportunity.
So did I.
I'm trying to be nice now. Why would I want to blow you up?
Oh, I love
Why-
my friends.
Yeah, you just end up with like small shit stuck between your teeth, and then it's like,
Yeah, and it'll probably be pretty disappointing.
Like I said,
Oh.
come on and blow Gabriel.
ah, he's on fire! Oh my god, this is a mistake!
you okay?
What the fuck just happened?
So I blew up the barrel and it didn't kill all the skeletons, and one of them caught fire and started just like running after me.
Hey,
It's
we
like,
got a ghost ship heading dead south.
Is it heading towards us?
No, it's going.
Then don't worry about it.
North, northeast currently.
Then don't worry about it.
So apparently there's a new idea for men fashion now.
What is it this time?
You know how women have bras, right?
Oh, for the love of God, don't.
Do you know where I'm going with this?
I can guess.
Well, apparently people are designing them for men's balls now.
I'm called budgie smugglers, aren't they? They're already a thing.
No, like they're... I actually saw one of them. They're like actual bras that support the testicles.
So underwear, but for under there.
Yeah.
So like boxers.
Yeah, the thing is, it
More like
doesn't...
briefs.
It doesn't even cover the penis. It just holds up the balls.
So it's like male weird ass lingerie.
Yeah.
Come on, girl. I got something sexy for you, and it's like two fucking mangoes swinging in a sock.
If your balls are that big, I think you need to go see a doctor.
Well, they've got to be that big if you want to fucking buy that shit, haven't they?
Oh god. Come back for premium content about talking about balls.
It'd be like, can you imagine the fucking zipper snag could get off that? It'd be like,
Ah!
you'd wake up Catholic and go to bed Jewish.
See? Wow.
Oh.
I take offense
apologize.
of that.
I apologize to anyone who's listening to this shit.
Frosty, I take offense to that.
I mean, it can't be as bad as the fucking shit you two were doing last night. Oh my god.
We're not talking about that.
That was amazing.
I'm legally
I'm sorry
obliged to
for
not
anyone
talk
who
about
is
that.
watching stream. I
Yeah.
apologize for anyone who's
We are-
watching the VOD. And I have only one question for all of you. Why?
Why?
Why are you still watching? You know, there's
That's
a
a
reason
player shit,
why we
though.
have, this is not made for children. If you're not of the age of 18, why are you here?
Well, between the language and that one incident,
We don't talk about an incident.
Which one? The one with the broom?
Yeah, especially the one with the broom.
no, the one in the swimming pool.
That ghost ship is weight anchor, so...
Yeah.
There's also a player ship out to starboard. Looks like it's docked up.
There's also another ghost ship, port.
Jesus fucking Christ.
That's my son.
You're not
Shut up.
allowed tonight.
Yeah, you're not God tonight, that's me. Drop anchor, drop anchor, drop anchor.
Why are we dropping anchor?
Because the galleon's moving.
Oh, we're letting it move off.
We're gonna let it just sail away.
We just sail straight to
Sail
London.
away.
Don't you fucking...
Sail away, sail away, sail
Hey, can you
away.
turn off the lights? Because I think there's a light on in the back. You know... I hate to be that guy, but...
Shut up.
No.
I
Shut up.
think-
Shut up.
Okay.
Just let it happen.
Just don't stare at it. Don't shoot at it.
To quote the court papers, shh, just let it happen. It'll be over soon. I looked at it.
Ross, mouth. Why are
Act
you
like we're
taking
not
a shot
here.
at it?
Fishing. Shut the fuck up.
But
Who rung the bell?
That would be
hey,
Frosty.
trying to come down the ladder.
Just pay the ghost ship no mind.
Ba 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 da ba ba da ba 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 doopity 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 doo.
I'm currently using the main mast as a hiding point. Now they will never see me.
Yeah, we'll let the sloop go too.
Tiga, you want to see a radiation fish?
What the fuck?
Radiation
Are they-
fish.
Are they at all valuable?
It's food.
It's food.
Yes, we know.
Yes, we know.
Okay, so
Just
they're-
don't stare at it.
So they're glowfish. They're not actually radioactive.
No.
Radioactive, radioactive.
Breathing in the atmosphere.
I've never heard you sound more like SG in my life.
Yeah, that hurt my ears.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have no idea if I was peeking or not either.
No, you weren't peeking. You sounded a lot like SG. Oh, the galleon's coming back. We kind of just got to go for it, dude.
Raise anchor now. We need to move forward a little bit, hit this island, grab the map, and run. Because it is, unfortunately, on this island.
Oh, the sloop's turned away. Nice.
Yeah, the sloop turned away. The galleon isn't turning in on us yet.
Do you want yeeting?
Very much so, yes.
Yeah, I was about to say, you might want to lower it.
Whee! Too far!
And he's good!
He's out of there!
You know, that was a fucking amazing, though, with that one league game we had.
Touchdown!
Son of a bitch, son of a bitch, son of a bitch, son of a bitch. No!
We got a player ship directly behind us.
This is bad. This is very bad.
Oh, I
What
see
is?
the explosives.
And I have no ammo.
Frosty, I wouldn't shoot.
By all means, shoot.
Mainly because that ship might hear us. Oh, that galleon's going after that player sloop. Oh. Oh no.
Here, have a skull.
Oh, first time! Yeah, have a skull.
Oh, why, thank you. Go take a fish.
I've started watching One Punch Man.
Oh yeah.
That's a fucking adventure.
Yeah, hey, Frosty, here. Here, hurry. Fish.
Yeah, fish.
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 Frosty, I'm bringing you a couple friends.
You're
Get them
welcome.
both?
Yeah. Chain reaction,
Awesome.
right? Frosty.
No.
Fish.
Okay. Fish.
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 What the fuck are you two doing?
Fish.
No, that's just the shh.
They're
It's just
fishing.
sh- That shouldn't be that funny. That's the end of the episode too.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba.